I'll guide you through how to recover your TikTok account without email or phone, using another account without being permanently locked out due to a lost password or phone number. If you're looking to regain your lost content or you want to get back in touch with your audience and you want to recover your TikTok account using a friend's account, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here is the complete process to recover your TikTok account with a friend's help. The person who is locked out must first initiate the process.
Open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Next, choose the Use Phone Email Username option. On the next screen, tap the small question mark sign at the top right. Then select the account you want to recover. On the Choose a Way to Log In screen, tap Can't Access These at the bottom of the screen, then tap Ask Friends to verify. Then select the 2 friends you want to assist you in verifying your identity, and tap Share to send the request.
This action automatically sends a request to those 2 friends. As a friend, you will receive a notification or message with the link. Open it in your TikTok app. You'll be asked to confirm your friend's identity. Simply tap the Verify button. Once you do, a confirmation message will pop up and your part is complete. Once 2 friends have verified the account, TikTok will notify you, the original user. You can then go back to the app, create a new password, and regain full access to your account. By this, you have successfully recovered your TikTok account. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more TikTok video tutorials. Thanks for watching.